In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up Notion AI. First, open your browser and search for Notion on Google. Click on the first official link that says Notion, the AI workspace that works for you, to open the main website. Once the landing page loads, click on the prominent blue button that says Get Notion Free. You will be redirected to the sign up page. Now look at the main menu options where you can choose between Google, Apple, Microsoft, or typing in a work email. To make things easy, click the Google button at the top left. A separate window will pop up asking you to choose a Google account. Select your preferred email address, review the account access permissions on the next screen, and then click the blue Continue button at the bottom. Now, Notion will begin setting up your account preferences. On the screen asking how you want to use the platform, click on the For Work card, then switch and select For Personal Life before clicking the blue Continue button. When the page asks who else is on your team, you can leave the email fields blank and click Continue to proceed. On the plan options screen, ensure the free tier is highlighted and click Continue. Next, you will see a prompt to download the desktop application. Simply click Skip for now at the bottom. Finally, your new workspace will load, showcasing your private dashboard on the left and opening up the automatic onboarding assistant with built-in Notion AI features right in the center. And that's it. That's how you sign up Notion AI.